To know all about Flipkart seller processes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello sellers, in today's video we will learn about listing opportunities. We at Flipkart Seller Hub keep improving our processes to maximize your profit. This new page, Listing Opportunities, is yet another step in the same direction. On this page, you will find product listings that are in demand by the customers but with no listing available on the platform. Hence, the opportunity to make sales. To access listing opportunities, you can log in to your Seller Hub account. From the dashboard, click on Listings and from the drop-down menu, click on Selection Insights and select Opportunities. You can also go to Listing Opportunities using our Growth Central page. From the dashboard, click on Growth menu, then select Growth Central and then click on Add New Products. Now that you know how to reach Listing Opportunities page, let us understand the features available on this page. Under Listing Opportunities, you can filter opportunities that are most suitable for you using two different filters. Vertical filter will show all the vertical that you operate in. Simply select Alls, the vertical under which you wish to see new listing opportunities, and click on Apply Now to see the opportunities. Please remember that when you open the Opportunities page, all verticals will be selected by default and you can deselect, reselect them as required. Under the brand filter, you will see a list of all brands you have interacted with at least once. Once you have selected your desired brands, please click Apply Now to apply the filter. Please note that all the brands will be selected by default and you can deselect the brands that you are not interested in. Another feature on listing opportunities is Save. When you spot an interesting listing opportunity, you can save it for later. You can find all the saved opportunities under Saver for Later tab. Product Insights cards are listing opportunities cards displayed on the page. Each card will have clickable links that can be used to get more information about that particular product. Example, you can click on the title of card to go to the Google page where you can read all about the product and see its rating on competitor platforms as well. Please note that clicking on the title of a sold-out product listing will take you to the out-of-stock product page on Flipkart platform. Under Listings Opportunities widget, you will find two types of listing opportunities. New listings will include all the products that have never been listed on the Flipkart platform, and sold-out products will show you the list of all the products that are part of the selection but are not available on the platform anymore. Please note that these selection insights are based on your selling history and will be related to the verticals and brands that you sell in. Now, let's learn how to add listings for listing opportunities under new products and sold out categories. To adding listings from the New Products tab, you will have to click on Add Listings on the relevant Product Insight card. Will take you to Add Listings page, where you can follow the usual process to list the product. If Flipkart has the product details, you will be directed to this page. Here, you can click on Start Selling to add details and start selling the product right away. Otherwise, you will be directed to Add Single Listing page with vertical and brand auto filled in. You can add the details if you already have the brand approval and then list it post-approval. We hope this video will help you in finding profitable listing opportunities and grow your business on Flipkart. Please don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel to watch more videos that can help you grow more on Flipkart.